N2 plus 3H2 forming 2NH3. Weight of nitrogen given है 20 gram, weight of hydrogen given है 5 gram. Consider the above reaction. The limiting reagent of the reaction and number of moles of ammonia formed respectively are. So the limiting reagent identify करना है and number of moles of ammonia formed find out करना है. तो reaction है nitrogen plus 3 moles of hydrogen forming 2 moles of ammonia. अब weight of nitrogen and hydrogen given है, तो weight of nitrogen को divide कर देंगे molecular weight of nitrogen से, which is 28 gram per mole. We get moles of nitrogen. Similarly, weight of hydrogen को divide कर देंगे molecular weight of hydrogen, which is 2 gram per mole, and we get moles of hydrogen. अब moles of nitrogen को divide कर देंगे इसके stoichiometric coefficient से, which is 1 in this equation. Stoichiometric coefficient is the number which is used to balance the equation. So 1 mole of nitrogen, तो इसको 1 से divide कर देंगे and moles of hydrogen को divide कर देंगे इसके stoichiometric coefficient से, which is 3 in this equation. So 5/2 divided by 3. तो nitrogen की value हो गई 20 divided by 28 and hydrogen is 5/2 divided by 3 is 5/6. Now 20 by 28 is 4 5 ja 20, 4 7 ja 28. So 5/7. Now 5/7 is less than 5/6. So here in this equation the limiting reagent is nitrogen. Now applying principle of atom conservation to nitrogen atoms, total nitrogen on the reactant side will be same as the total nitrogen on the product side. Now 1 mole of nitrogen contains 2 moles of nitrogen atoms. So 2 into moles of nitrogen on the reactant side is equal to, now 1 mole of ammonia contains 1 mole of nitrogen. So 1 into moles of ammonia. 2 into moles of nitrogen on the reactant side is equal to 1 into moles of ammonia on the product side. So 2 into moles of nitrogen कितना है 20 divided by 28 is equal to moles of ammonia. Solving moles of ammonia आ गया 1.42 moles. So correct option is option 3. Limiting reagent is nitrogen and moles of ammonia formed is 1.42 moles.